you saw in the intro of this video, our second bloom, our second dragon fruit has opened. Dragon fruit bloom has opened, and I have my utensils here where I'm going to try to hand pollinate this time again, and we're going to see if it sticks around or not for sure or not. So I'm going to put you guys on the tripod. You can see her there is quite a beautiful flower, and I'm going to try to position you guys where you can join us as we try hand pollinating again, guys. So hang tight. This is a short intro showing you the majesticness of this bloom as it opens, and bear with me, guys. Hope this one sticks around. Alright, so I'm going to set you guys up here on my makeshift tripod. And yeah, I think that's good there. So on the inside, as I mentioned last time, there are a lot of anthers in there with the pollen. So I'm going to be using my brush and this cover, jar cover, and I'm going to come in here and try to knock off some of the pollen onto the cover. And there are a couple of things that I'm going to try differently this time, because you can see, I don't know if you can see that, the pollen in there. It's all on my hand as well. Hopefully you can see the pollen on my hand. So we have a bit of pollen here in this cover. We'll put it on the brush. Maybe you can see it there on the brush. Quite a bit of pollen on the brush there. And we're going to try and hand pollinate this bloom. Now, what I'm going to be doing differently, you know what? Let me just pollinate this flower and we'll talk. Now, whew, dragon fruit spikes, they're deadly. So now I am going to get me an old umbrella, because I think last time that I hand pollinated the fruit, the rain fell, and I still have been watching a lot of videos on hand pollinating the dragon fruit bloom, and it is said that after you pollinate it, you want to make sure that it doesn't get wet with the rain. So let's rest on my apparatus there. I have an old umbrella that belongs to my daughter. It lost a handle, so it's when it opens, it can cover the bloom. So like I said, the handle broke off, so it still opens, but also the clip on the inside has gone through. So I'm thinking I'll have to tie this up open and try to position over the bloom, so that in case the rain falls, that the bloom will stay dry. Okay, so let's see what we could do, how we can protect this flower. I don't know how I'm doing it, but I'll try. Try tying up this umbrella. I'm also trying to use the spikes of the plant to hold the cloth of the umbrella as well. Try to tie this up right here. That's it. So this is attempt number 2, and The umbrella's there in case the rain comes from that direction. So if it comes, it should hit off the umbrella and drop down. And whoever, whatever little bug wants to go in there could go in there and have a good time. But I've done all that I could have done for this bloom. We have a next one coming by, I believe either tomorrow or day after. This one will also open, and the one that was lower down, it fell off, and another one is coming out. I've been giving it the banana tea, the banana peel tea, and it's been sending out blooms, guys. So I guess I guess it's working for it. The plant loves that. It's growing really well, and I really hope that we can get some dragon fruits home right here in the yard instead. I had some blooms come by on the mulberry tree, and they dried up, and I think it's because I am treating this tree right now, the lemon tree behind it, for spider mites. And I think the soapy water, you can see right here, oops, it fell off. Yeah, this, I think the soapy water is causing the blooms to dry up. So I'm gonna try avoiding this plant with any soapy water to see if the soapy water is making the blooms off the mulberry fall off, because I've been giving it the banana peel tea. It's been well watered, it looks really healthy, but the blooms are drying, and I think it's the soapy water that I'm trying to treat the lemon tree in the back with. The lemon and the mint, I don't think the mulberry appreciates that. So you can see, let me see if I can get the camera to focus. A bit too close. So you can see all those little red specks on it. I did treat it this evening with some soapy peppermint water, and I'm just gonna keep trying doing this, guys, trying to control it. Sooner or later, I think in a day or two, I will come through with my electric pressure washer, my battery operated pressure washer, and blast the plant, blast everything. Everything's gonna get a blasting because there's some aphids on the plants as well, and I want to control that. I did a video, well, I tried to fix a video earlier today, and I'm not too sure how I'm gonna share the video. If I'm gonna give you that video first and this one second, I'm not too sure. But either way, guys, thanks for joining me today. And if you appreciated my extra attempt sharing it with you, please give me a big dragon fruit thumbs up. If you appreciated what I've read where the bloom is not supposed to get wet after pollinating, let me know if you appreciate it down in the comment section down below. Alright, guys, I'm heading inside. I'm tired and lots to do still. Alright, guys, good night. Over and out.